lockout right. Now turn to the left on this lockout, hold the lockout into the pinwheel, lockout into the pinwheel, lockout into the pinwheel, lockout into the pinwheel. Now we're going to turn to the left, so lockout and come back into underhand weave, lockout left, lockout right, lockout left, lockout right, lockout left, lockout right, lockout left, go back to pinwheel on the right, pinwheel to clockwise, and turn to the right to overhand weave, turn 360, and then back to overhand, and then coming through underhand, turning left 360, and let's do back to the right 360 again, and back to the left 360 again. Open it up, stall your right poi. We're going to come into that flower. Left goes back, right goes front, 4 petal, and sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, and reversal. Sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, and reversal. Sides, top, sides, bottom, side, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, and reversal, anti-spin, and second time around, and then reverse back to in-spin, and then when you get down to the bottom, immediately reverse to anti-spin, and then when you get to the bottom, immediately reverse to in-spin, and then immediately reverse to anti-spin, and then back to in-spin, and then bring them both down to the bottom. Turn left into butterfly, take out right, take out left, go up right, go up left, back to butterfly, stack the circle, and stack circles, stack circles, stack circles, stack circles, back to butterfly, in split time, go to same time, take out left, take out right, go up left, go up right, take out left, turn left. We're going to go into that flower from here. In spin first, left goes front, right goes back, and sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top. Get ready, and reversal to anti-spin, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top. Get ready, and reversal, in spin, and come around to the bottom, and second time through, sides, top, sides, and then reversal to anti-spin, 2 times around, second time, and reverse at the bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, reversal, anti-spin, and second time, and then sides, reversing, top, sides, top, and again, sides, top, sides, bottom, reverse, and now reverse next time you get to the bottom into in-spin, and then reverse next time you get to the bottom into anti-spin, back to in-spin, and reverse back to anti-spin, and then reverse back to in-spin, and then reverse back to anti-spin, and then back to in-spin, and come down. Turn your left poi to the front into overhand butterfly, overhand opposite hip reel, and bring it back to butterfly, overhand opposite pinwheel, and bring it back to butterfly, thread the needle, and plane shift the thread the needle up, up, up. Take your left poi, tap it on your butt, and then turn to the right and clockwise, in the clockwise corkscrew, then sync up the timing, and we're going to go under the leg for 4 times. So while you're turning under the legs, and come up, and 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 then come back into your corkscrew, plane shift it up, come up into pinwheel, turn to the right to the overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, open it up, come into circles, wrap it around your fingers, make it short, come into underhand buzzsaw, and tap your right poi on your back, and then we're going to do the Sparky Special. Here we go. Button back, and button back, and button back, buzzsaw, 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 and then last time, and if you did it as many times as I did it, and you didn't go extra like I just did, in theory, your right arm would be overhand and your left arm would be underhand. Bring them to the outside of the arm. And stall your left poi so they're both in overhand. And put your left foot forward, turn to the right, go into counterclockwise, chasing the sun for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. This time come under the right leg, and 4 and 3 and 2, and get ready, come under your right leg with the right poi, and we'll go to 2. So 1 chase, and then once under the leg, and then 1 chase, and once under the leg, and 1 chase, and once under the leg, and 1 chase, and once under the leg, and then under the leg, and under the leg, and under the leg, and under the leg, and 4 more, and 3 more, and 2 more, and last one, and come down, stall on the left, and come up and over into clockwise, chasing the sun for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. This time come under the left leg with the left poi, and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Oh, we didn't get to finish that side before the time ran out.